Starting around 03 October 2023, torrential slide fundamentally is exchanging at $9.29 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very huge. Avax has an essentially all-out market cap of $3,291,232,378, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $101,661,529 in a huge manner. This for the most part makes torrential slide, Avax, by and large positioning at 22 in the digital money market, which especially is very huge. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the torrential slide cost forecast finish of 2023, what will torrential slide really be extremely worth in 2023, or so they truly thought? Is torrential slide an especially wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, which all things considered, is genuinely huge? Will Avax cost really outperform its unequaled high, which sort of is genuinely critical? These essentially are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost in a real sense is supposed to truly cross an all things considered normal value level of $14.49, the normal fundamentally least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to for the most part be $13.85, which in every practical sense is very huge. Besides, Avax can basically arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $16.26, which sort of is very critical. Avax value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide especially is determined to for the most part be at around a by and large least worth of $12.11, which especially shows that Avax generally has a very complete market cap of $3,291,232,378, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $101,661,529, which explicitly is very huge. The torrential slide value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a by and large limit of $13.77, with the typical exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide, Avax, value conjecture September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax, cost for September 2023 may basically arrive at a very least worth of $13.14, while the by and large greatest estimated cost basically is around $14.30 in an in every practical sense huge way. The extremely normal cost for Avax sort of is especially anticipated to truly reach $13.65 in September 2023 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide fundamentally is supposed to sort of be at around a truly least of $13.29, or so they certainly thought. Torrential slide cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $14.85, with the exceptionally normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, showing how on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the torrential slide cost forecast finish of 2023, what will torrential slide basically be especially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Torrential slide value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for torrential slide could sort of stretch around $15.55, showing how Avax value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide in a real sense is determined to by and large be at around a base worth of $12.11. Which certainly shows that Avax essentially has a complete market cap of $3,291,232,378, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $101,661,529, which sort of is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 really is $13.57, with a truly normal cost of $14.20, showing how in addition Avax can generally arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $16.26. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost generally is supposed to basically reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the in every practical sense, normal cost of Avax for the December in every way that really matters stays around $14.49. Torrential slide kind of past value examination in the in every way that really matters, recent hours. The crypto generally has been in every practical sense, diminished by 2.63% in its in every practical sense, current worth, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we really look at the kind of current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which in every practical sense shows that these for the most part are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which especially is genuinely critical. From especially most recent 7 days, the Avax basically was in excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 3.6%, showing how besides Avax can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $16.26, which by and large is very huge. Torrential slide fundamentally has shown exceptionally in every way that really matters, solid pretty potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense, great chance to in a real sense dive right in and contribute, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax diminished by 56.255%, killing an incredible kind of normal amount of $11.95 from its extremely current worth in a very significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a sort of great in every practical sense, purchase an open door for certainly fast interest in a very huge manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 47.77%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a truly least really normal cost of $16.54 to essentially greatest all things considered, normal cost of $18.27 in the especially beyond 90 days, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide generally is somewhere near 23.08%. With the exceptionally greatest sort of typical cost of the coin was around $11.78, and the especially least really normal cost of in every practical sense was around $11.56 in for the most part beyond 4 months. Showing how starting around 03 October 2023 torrential slide certainly is exchanging at $9.29 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in all things considered, most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value figure 2023 facts. What will especially be torrential slide extremely worth in 2023, which all things considered, is very critical. The Avax cost basically is gauged to sort of arrive at an especially greatest degree of $16.26, with genuinely least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023, showing that these certainly are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in an essentially significant manner. Torrential slides generally have a future, which for the most part is very critical. As far as value, torrential slide for the most part has a remarkable